Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I can't believe we're already in 2025. Can you? It's been such a wild and wonderful ride. New adventures, new obsessions, and of course, a whole bunch of products that I absolutely love. तो ये वीडियो एक्चुअली मैंने 2024 में शूट कर लिया था फॉर द न्यू ईयर्स ईव बट आई वांटेड टू कम हियर ऑन यूट्यूब एंड शो यू सम ऑफ माय फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स of 2024 that I am definitely carrying with me to 2025. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Also, a happy new year to each and everyone watching. May you all have a fulfilling 2025. Okay, let's talk about this Dior Lip Glow Balm. Honestly, just look at it. It's giving luxury with a hint of self-care, right? First of all, the packaging is gorgeous. It's sleek, minimal, and that soft pink cap gives off serious princess vibe. And then the formula is so beautiful. It's hydrating without being sticky. The balm has shea butter, which leaves my lips feeling super soft and nourished. Now let's talk about this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, aka the queen of multitasking concealers. If you have been following me, you know I have been using this one for a while now, and honestly, it's become a staple in my makeup routine. First things first, the coverage is insane. Full, but somehow still lightweight. It covers everything: dark circles, redness, blemishes, you name it, without feeling heavy or cakey. Plus, it blends like a dream, whether you're using a brush, a sponge, or even just your fingers. It's that perfect natural satin, not too matte, not too dewy finish, which means it works beautifully for almost every skin type. And since it's infused with coconut water and hyaluronic acid, it doesn't leave my under eye feeling dry, which is a huge win if you're someone like me who deals with fine lines. Next up, we have this NYX Contours All Love palette. It has everything: your contour shade, your bronzers, your brow shades, highlighters, eyeshadows. It has everything all in one. Such a multitasking palette. This is, I love it. I am using this darker brown shade to shape the ends of my brows. It looks really natural this ways, and then I'll use a lighter shade to fill in the rest of my brows. This gives a very natural finish, and the brows don't look made up or artificial. Now, to set up my brows, I use this NYX Thick It Brow Gel, another one of my cult favorite. I have been using this since a really long time. पहले इनका एक और ब्राउ जेल आता था, मैं वो यूज़ करती थी, but I think they've discontinued it and they just have this in the market now, and this works amazing. It sets the brows in place. Your brows don't move after you've used it, and sometimes, like on the go, I just use this. I just apply this on my brows and it works wonders. Moving on with the eyes, I'm using this Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette. This is such a fun palette. It's a versatile mix of these 18 beautiful, actually beautiful 18 shades, which are mostly matte, with a few gorgeous shimmers also in it. And it even has this unique black gloss shade, which is very cool for that edgy vibe. And the shades are really pigmented. I mean, it blends really well. They do not have a lot of fallout. I'm just setting my concealer right now using the lightest shade that I have in this palette. Then I'm going in with this, mixing two shades, Beauty Chaos and Freedom, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease. Now, again, I'm defining my crease above my natural crease line just to give my eyeshadows a little bit more space. And I'm going in with this shade Love Anarchy, and I'm going to deposit it only on the outer half of my crease line, sort of in a V shape, just to give my eyes a little bit definition and shape. But do you see how beautifully each color is blending, each pigment is blending? They do not have a lot of fallout. I love to play with all the shades in this palette. And now I'm going with the shade Avant Grand, which is the shimmer black shimmer sort of a shade which matches perfectly with my dress. So it's sort of black, silver, gray, and everything. It's beautiful. You can see how beautifully it is applying on my eyes. I'm going for a halo eye situation. So on my inner corner and outer corner, I'm going to apply this shimmer shade, and on the middle, I'm going to apply something lighter from the same palette. So just blending the outer and inner corner. This will give that beautiful halo eye effect. Now I'm going in with this shade Strong AF, which is a lighter silver shimmer kind of a shade. I'm just going to apply it in the middle, blending it all in. I'm going in with the actual grunge shade, which is this black gloss. It's great for adding that drama. But the only problem with this shade is that it can crease a bit, so you have to set it up with the black eyeshadow. Otherwise, it will crease. This is such a versatile palette. If you are into bold, creative looks, or even if you want a soft glam, this is a solid pick. Okay, the next is this Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. This is a total gem in my vanity. I mean, if you are someone who loves that dewy, fresh look without it feeling greasy, you have to add it in your makeup routine. Moving on with the primer, I have this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I have a mini version. I just love this primer so much. It just smoothens out my canvas, minimizes my pore, and the makeup glides on perfectly after applying this primer. So I just spritz my face with the mist and go on with this primer to provide that smooth canvas for my makeup. Next is a no-brainer, my favorite foundation of all time, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I do not have to say a lot about it. You all know it is my favorite foundation of all time. The coverage, the finish, the application, the blendability, you can check it out for yourself. It's amazing. I love this foundation. I mean, look how beautifully it has covered everything. Going in again with my Too Faced concealer. Now, if you're someone who has fine lines like me, this concealer is something which will make a huge difference in your makeup routine. I mean, it not only does it covers up my blemishes and dark circles beautifully, it does not leave my under eyes feeling dry, which is a huge win if you're someone like me who has fine lines. It lasts you all day long without creasing or fading as long as you have set it up with a loose powder. It will last you all day long. Blends like a dream, is lightweight. I mean, what else do you need from a concealer? This is my absolute favorite. I just love it so much. I cannot do without it. Okay, let's bring back a little color on my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. I have again spoken about it a lot of times in my previous video. It is super affordable, blends like a dream. It gives you that perfect sun-kissed glow with a hint of radiance into it. You can see the shine. The creamy texture really makes it easy to apply, and it dries down to a semi-matte finish that looks natural on the skin. Plus, it is enriched with argan oil and vitamin E, so it's not just makeup, it has skincare benefits too. The only downside I feel is that e.l.f. could do a little better with the shade range, and the pot is really small. Like if you're using a big brush for bronzers, the pot is small. But overall, yes, if you're looking for an affordable glowy bronzer, this is definitely worth trying. Now, moving on to my favorite blush. You know, I don't buy blushes, so I don't have any favorite blush as such. I just use my regular lipsticks, creamy lipsticks, and apply them as a blush. यहाँ पे भी मैंने वही किया है. So I've applied the lipstick and now I'm just going to clean it with this e.l.f. concealer. Now, I would not say this is one of my favorite concealer anymore because I feel like it's too drying. But yes, I just use it to clean up my blushes or to highlight a little here and there, and that's it. More review on this concealer in my next video. But yes, just I'm cleaning up my blush right now. Okay, let's talk about this Mars Trend Setting Loose Powder. Now, this is an absolute steal at its price. I mean, it just retails for 250 rupees and it is such a beautiful powder. The texture is super finely milled and it gives you this smooth matte finish while blurring the imperfections. Now, for kajal, using the Colossal Maybelline kajal. It is the only kajal I use. The reason being I don't do a lot of koals. So yeah, this works and it's cheap, so why not? Going in with the shade Love Anarchy that we used in the outer corners of my eyes from the Huda Beauty palette, we will just curl the lashes and apply some mascara and we're done with the eyes. Okay, this is my favorite mascara of all times, the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Panorama Mascara. It is a great find for me. For anyone like me who's looking for volume and length for the lashes, I mean, this is amazing. Gives your lashes this beautiful natural finish. I mean, check it out for yourself. The volume, the length, everything is just amazing. I love it. Next on, we have my favorite lip liner, which is from PAC Cosmetics. I have it in two shades. One is coffee. I'm using the brown shade right now. but it glides on so beautifully on your lips, and the pigmentation is also really nice. Okay, this Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Staycation. It is the perfect matte lipstick. It's long lasting, highly pigmented. Just one swipe is enough, you can see, and it blends like a dream. It's matte and yet it's not sticky or chappy, does not dries out on your lip. It blends beautifully, and everything is just amazing about this lipstick. Going in with the lip gloss, you can use any lip gloss. I'm using this one from e.l.f. It's Pinkies Up. This is also a nice lip gloss. You can definitely check it out if you want to buy lip glosses. But yes, now I'm adding a little beauty mark using the e.l.f. brown eyeliner. I do not like this eyeliner, but I just like it to create these freckles and beauty marks. I mean, they look more natural, and I love the idea of having freckles on my nose. Recently, I'm just loving freckles. But yes, this is the last step of this makeup look. And here we have the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a voiceover. Actually, I did not intend for it to be a YouTube video. It was supposed to be a short or a reel. But I just wanted to come over here and share my 2024 favorite products with you guys. Hence, I thought of making it into a YouTube video so that you can get an in-depth review of these products and why I love them. Do let me know your favorite amongst these products in the comment section below, and also let me know how you like the video. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you who has supported me in this journey till now, and a very happy new year to each and every one. As usual, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you not already have. It definitely helps me grow. But yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.